Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. That's right, we are back in Dualmine. We're going to be doing a super quick update and I've got a payment proof for you as well, so keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, I know there's probably many of you moaning and groaning out there because it has only been 2 days since the last time we were in Dualmine. Now, obviously, I realise that it is a bit of a close update. Normally, I would probably do these about a week apart. But something special has happened. I have actually received my first CRT withdrawal. And because obviously the last time I put in a withdrawal was to Whitebit. That didn't happen. But now I have actually received my very first CRT withdrawal. And we're going to get into that because we're going to be looking at how long it took and some other things as well. So keep watching. But let's quickly run through the numbers. 2 days ago, only one thing has changed, and that is our dash. 2 days ago, we were at 424 mega hashes. You can see now we are at 508 mega hashes. And in that video 2 days ago, I did show in our profits that we were at the point of earning 1.1 million every 24 hours. We are now at 1.3 million every 24 hours. Okay, so let's get into it. So if we go and check out my payouts, you'll see here that this was my payout. Obviously, this was the one to Whitebit that I cancelled, and this is the one to my Tron Link wallet. Now, I made this on the 8th, which is actually 1 day early. Unless it was my bad maths, but I thought I should have been able to do it on the 9th, but for some weird reason I just thought I'd give it a go on the 8th, and it did actually create and allow. So anyway, I did that at 11:20 a.m. and then I received it according to Dualmine at 1800 or 20 past 6 in the evening of the same day. So that is actually a lot less than 24 hours. And if we check out my Tron Link wallet, we just click up here. So we scroll down. Oh, we don't need to scroll down. So here it is. There is my CRT. So I got 4,209. And what we're going to do is we're going to go and swap that. So if we just click swap, then it logs us into Just Swap. Obviously, I know this process I have shown you in more detail in the tutorial I did a couple of days ago. For those of you that have not yet got your Tron Link wallet set up, even to the point you haven't even downloaded it onto your mobile, I will put a link in the description to an earlier video which will go through that in detail of downloading the app to your mobile phone, then getting it set up on your mobile phone. And then I'll also add another link which will give you a tutorial, a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how, once you've got it, the Tron Link app onto your mobile phone and you have received a payout to your Tron Link wallet, the second video will give you a step-by-step on how to go through the process of swapping those coins and turn them into the coin that you want rather than CRT. Although I will be saying this, that if these withdrawals continue happening on a regular basis, I probably will be putting a good few thousand of CRT, just storing them away somewhere, because you never know. Obviously, this whole thing with Dualmine has been a complete debacle, but should CRT suddenly make it to that $1 price tag and Dualmine don't just imminently disappear, so therefore giving us a chance to trade that in, if I've got 8,000, 10,000 or more, which is only, you got to think, it's only 3 withdrawals, then your quid's in. I mean, if you've got 10,000 CRT, suddenly that goes up to $1. Well, that's $10,000 that you've just got in your wallet. So always bear that in mind. Always think that, you know, some of these coins, especially something like what has happened with Dualmine, we all think it's essentially going to go nowhere, but there is always a chance it could. So just for the future, I do suggest that just store some away. Just keep them on your Tron Link wallet or whatever. Just store them away for that possibility of them going up. Okay, so I'm guessing CRT will not be in this list anymore because, unlike a lot of you, I clear my browser history every single day. So every time I log out of my browser, my history is automatically wiped out. So things like cookies, all that kind of stuff get taken out. So I will need to apply that in there. So what we do, once we're in payouts, we go create new. And then we're looking for the contract address down here. Let's hope that never disappears for me. Okay, so obviously we've added that. We go add coin. Then we can go back. So we've added that to the top. So something I did mention in that recent video is I was talking about the possibility, because it is in the list here, of withdrawing BTC or LTC. Now, I had a really good conversation with a subscriber of mine called Russell Mayberry. Now, he brought it to my attention that these listings of LTC and BTC are not, in fact, the actual coin. They are like a tokenized version of BTC and of LTC. So basically, he says if you sort of list that to be withdrawn, then add a recipient address of a BTC wallet, which we're going to do because I want to test it. So you'd go add recipient, and then I'm just going to go and get the BTC wallet address. So Russell is saying basically if you enter a BTC wallet address in here, it's just going to tell you it's in the wrong format because it's not actually BTC. So what I've got my atomic wallet address, and the reason why I've done that is basically because it's normally it normally picks up deposits very quickly. So as you can see there, it is showing there invalid recipient. So that is clearly not, as Russell did point out to me, that is clearly not actual BTC. It is tokenized version. So basically, don't even bother with that. Don't waste your time with that. So what you want to be looking at is you want to be looking at either TRX. I believe Sun is a Tron token. You can pick up wrapped BTT, which for those of you that are not sure what that is the Bitcoin Bittorrent token. Now this is a token that is moving and rapidly building a price. Is connected with obviously the Bittorrent peer-to-peer client. Now obviously most people know this from downloading from dodgy sites, downloading movies, software, music, whatever it is. But Bittorrent is actually an independent piece of software. It basically has just simply got connected with these download sites such as Pirate Bay and Kickass and all those kind of download sites. But Bittorrent is just simply the software that is used for that, not the sites themselves. Now Bittorrent has also created this token with the idea of providing storage for people. So if you purchase or if you've got a load of BTT, you can basically go on to Bittorrent, purchase an X amount of, say, gigabytes of storage. Store on there whatever you want. It's completely, I think I'm guessing it's decentralized, so there should be no information, nothing like that out there. So basically it is an anonymous storage facility. That is what I'm understanding about it. And basically, because it is so widely used, I mean, it's got millions upon millions of users. This coin is now basically, or token is now being seen very much as a utility token, which means it is actually utilized and used for something. And because now their connection with Tron and various other companies, the token is building quite rapidly. So just in case you're looking for a coin to maybe get into for the future that could easily bring back or give you back a good return, the BTT, not necessarily the WBTT, but the BTT Bittorrent token would be a good token to look at. Okay, so you've got various other tokens as well. Obviously, you've got the USDT and stuff like that. But what we're going to do today is we are going to do just the standard TRX. Now, I need to get my wallet address for that. So we need to add recipient again. Okay, so we just basically add that now. Also as well, something many people are being caught out with is not having any TRX already in their wallet. So basically, like Ethereum, Tron transactions have a gas fee on them. So just like Ethereum, they have a gas fee. And to pay that gas fee, you already have to have TRX in your wallet. That is why I already put in 50 odd tokens or 50 odd Tron into my balance. I know a lot of you out there are kind of saying, why is my swap being rejected? Everything's correct. I've followed your steps. This is why it is being rejected, but basically because you do not have any TRX in your wallet to pay for that gas fee or that transaction fee. So I was speaking to a gentleman today, he had the same problem, and basically he had no TRX in his wallet. So the only thing he can do is he does have other crypto elsewhere. He's got to find somewhere to convert that into TRX, then get that TRX into his Tron Link wallet, so then he can then proceed with the swap. But you've got to realize that should only happen once, because basically when you do the swap, obviously you're going to end up with hundreds of TRX in your wallet. Just make sure that whatever you use that TRX for, if you're going to spend it on something, make sure you leave some TRX in your wallet for your next CRT, your next CRT withdrawal. So then, because otherwise you're going to be in the same situation. You're going to get there, I've got no TRX, why is my swap is being rejected? You've got to make sure you're leaving some TRX in that wallet, because like I said, if Dualmine starts getting its act together and we start getting these withdrawals regularly, then you know either your CRT is going to be building up crazily, which obviously, you know, we did talk about hanging on to some, but essentially you need to just hang on to a bit of that TRX. So every time you get some CRT in your wallet, you can make those swaps to whatever coin that you want without any problems. Okay, so we're going to enter the amount. So we're going to say 4,209. So that's going to give us 179, which is really disappointing, because the other day when we 2 days ago when we did the video, it was at 195, and previous to that, when I showed you the Hives swap on that video, he actually got 212. So, you know, we're a bit down, but at the end of the day, at least we've got something. So, okay, so we're going to swap this. So this is where you are, basically this is where you'll get a breakdown. This is sort of your contract. So that's the contract address we've entered. And all you got to do is just click accept. Okay, so that just says signature confirming, view on Tron scan. So that's pending. So there's the price. Okay, so we can confirm that. So it's saying, oh, okay, it's fluctuating a bit. Okay, 1 TRX equals 23 CRT. Okay, so confirm, accept. Okay, pending, close. Okay, so I think everything has gone through okay. So if we look at our wallet, can we refresh this? There we go. So 224. So that was so easy. So, but like I said, you've got to have that extra bit of TRX in there just to allow you to do that swap. Okay, so basically that is the process. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty seamless. Went through, you saw the different stages as it was confirming things, and that's it. So from now on, basically, just make sure you've got a bit of TRX in that Tron Link wallet, and that is going to allow you to do those swaps. And then, I mean, essentially, once you've got it into TRX, if that's what you pick, you can then easily use that to send off to other places, because Tron is accepted in most wallets, unless obviously it's a dedicated wallet. But yeah, you should have no problems at all. And I'm really pleased that I've been able to show you that, because obviously those last few stages with the confirmations and stuff like that, I couldn't show you in the previous video. So it's been really good to be able to show it you in this one. And if you get the chance, why not check out our merch store? We got merchandise for you YouTubers, Instagrammers, vloggers and bloggers, and our creators, dreamers and streamers. We've even got merch for you crypto lovers and those of you that just love the crypto games, with a new edition of Rollercoin merchandise. Now this all can be shipped worldwide, so why not check it out? And remember, if you are interested in those earlier videos, they're probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you could smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.